Hi, my name is Shanaya Allen from UITS, and we're going to learn how to apply for jobs. Let's secure this bag. To start, visit hr.columbusstate.edu and click the Employment Opportunities button. Then you can click on the blue button in the middle of the page. Once you're there, you can create a new account for you to use, or just go straight into browsing for jobs. Signing in with an account allows for you to track the applications that you have sent in, notifications for any jobs that you've applied for, and account information. Clicking on the View All Jobs button will take you to a page with all CSU positions that you can apply for. You can search for specific ones to the left of the page, and once you see one that you would like to apply for, just click on the job and then click on the green button at the top right that says Apply for Job. That will take you to a page where you can fill out the information for the job that you want to apply for. You can use this page to apply for as many jobs as you would like. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website at uits.columbusstate.edu or call our IT support desk at 706-507-8199. I'm Shanaya with UITS. Have a wonderful day.